Guys, it's Lovely, your infidelity and confidence rebuilding coach. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm always talking about making sure that your inside matches your outside. And sometimes it has to do with like just personal style, right? But I'm all about taking something that I normally wouldn't want to wear and then just giving it a little bit of my personality. So I like sweatshirts. However, I'm not a big sweatshirt girly. So I'm going to cut my sweatshirt because I love to have like that on the shoulder, off the shoulder type look. And I got this sweatshirt from off of Shein. Mom, bruh. So I had it on earlier today, and what I did was I just took a pair of scissors and I clipped where I want the sweatshirt to land. So I want one that's kind of on my shoulders and one that's a little more up. And I don't mind because I'll have like a tank top or something like this, maybe even a sports bra to make sure that you can't see anything weird because I'm getting older. These bras be this big and I need to have something covering that. So now that I have cut the slits where I want them to be, is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut around the neck of the sweatshirt over to here. And I'm going to cut both sides at the same time because I want to make sure that the sweatshirt stays the same length. Now, you can lay it out flat if it makes you feel more comfortable. I've been doing this for a little bit of time, so I'll just cut it on my lap. I need to get some sharper scissors. Okay. All right. And now we have our sweatshirt. Let's see how it fits. Now this sweatshirt is big on purpose. Let's see if I can move back a little bit. So then I would do like jeans, or see how it just gives you just that. And the material from this particular sweatshirt is nice and soft, so it doesn't feel like polyester, even though I'm sure it is. And you just get a nice little look with it. And like I said, because you can recycle, upcycle, you may be able to just cut these, make them into some cute little earrings. Maybe take the neck, make it into some cute little earrings. All the possibilities. Anyway, so the reason why I wanted you to see this video was because I want us to understand, like, sometimes as we change, maybe we have lost some weight, maybe we're gaining some weight, and we're trying to figure out ways to keep our style ours, but like freshen it up a little bit because we want to include new things, right? Sweatshirts are a big new thing for me, but I think I love sweatshirts as I'm getting older because I be cold, hot, cold. I'm not gonna lie. And because I love sayings on my shirts. So I'm just saying, it makes me mom, bruh. It's just something so cute. Anyway, you guys be good. Let me know if you want me to do more tutorials like this. I love cutting up clothes. Like, I'll probably do a couple of little openings here, maybe across the back with a couple sweatshirts as it starts to get warmer outside, because I love cutting up. I do. I love cutting up. Period. Period, point blank. Anyway, y'all be good. Bye.